Congratulate them for their 16th year of successfully giving Mumbai Heights a treat of their life.
This is one of the most unique festivals we have in India right now, which is truly needed.
In festivals, you go and you see a performance. Okay, you see an artist performing. Here you end up actually meeting them because either they're workshop, they're installing the things to the end. You do end up meeting them personally.
Chat with people directly, and their feedback about the film. I always enjoy that. I always enjoy talking to people about any of my film and about my performance. If they like it or not.
It's not easy to collect such a galaxy of art and artists and then to present it on a platter to the people.
And privilege for us to perform in Kala Ghoda because this is one of the Mumbai is one of the best festivals which have music, art and culture and all kind of music, all genre of music, whether it's Bollywood, classical or fusion.
Coming to Kala Ghoda since last almost 6-7 years as a tradition. In fact, today is the first time I've taken a leave also from office, citing personal reasons.
Hi, we're at the Kala Ghoda Festival. As you can clearly see, we're having a great time. We have a show starting in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah.
There is social message in each and every craft or whatever it is in display. I'm quite liking it, enjoying it. I'll like to recommend to my near and dear ones.
It's a great place to see art and to be seen as an artist.
I am here at Kala Ghoda because it's something that the entire town is talking about, the entire city.
Here we visit this Kala Ghoda festival. This year also we have come, myself and my wife is here over here. We really enjoyed all the stalls and all the artistic things which I have met over here. Even the paintings and the different things are there. It's really worth seeing.
There's this complete buffet of beautiful talent from all over the country, from all over India.
So this to me was absolutely a concert of classical music.
Thrilled to see so many variety, whether it's food, whether it's music, whether it's theatre, literature. Everyone can come and attend. That's what I really like. It draws so many people from all over the country and maybe some parts of the world as well.
Overwhelming to see the audience being so caring and affectionate with all age group of people. And this is the first time I've been in Kala Ghoda, hopefully not the last time. And superb energy, superb people backstage, on stage. The whole team is, I think, is fantastic.
It always each year it gets better and better with the amount of installations, and there are a lot of social messages. He also wants to talk.
Lots of creativity coming out and I'm really surprised, thrilled to know so many good things happening around, and I think my visit is worth the visit, and I'm sure I'll make it a point that from each year I'll be coming here.
I hope you promote these things more often and I can pass by.
Inshallah, I hope it's timeless and it's just always there. I wish good luck to the festival throughout the years coming.
I'll suggest everybody come here and enjoy this festival.
This culture and this ritual continues with Kala Ghoda Festival, and find some musicians play here.
My name is Tanushi Delake. I like Kala Ghoda Festival.
I have to thank a few people. But before I do that, there is something which I want to tell you. Most of you must have read in the papers that there was a writ petition filed against the conduct of the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival by a local resident. I know there have been rumors that the Kala Ghoda Festival will be shifted out of Kala Ghoda, but let me tell you at present, they are only rumors. But I want to ask you a question, and I want you to respond to it. Do you want the Kala Ghoda Festival to be moved out of Kala Ghoda? Do you want the Kala Ghoda Festival to continue at Kala Ghoda? May I ask you to raise your hands if you want the Kala Ghoda Festival to be held at Kala Ghoda? Thank you so much for your support.
A
Alright, so I completely support Kala Ghoda happening at Kala Ghoda because I can't think of any other place. It's been synonymous with this and I absolutely love coming here. So much more creativity than you ever see anywhere else.
हमें काला घोड़ा बहुत पसंद है और ये हम चाहते हैं कि हर साल फेस्टिवल हो और हर साल यही फेस्टिवल और यही जगह पे और
The music is cancelled out here. Come on guys, it's just held once in a year, so please allow, let the music play. It just happens once a year. It's really awesome. Please guys.
I want it to be held every year like it is, and with the same energy and with same how people are passionate here. I would like to come here and see every year the same thing.
हम लोग संस्कार बाल मंदिर से आए और हम लोग को काला घोड़ा यही चाहिए और किसी में दम हो तो रोक लो. Thank you.
We want Kala Ghoda every year here.
We want Kala Ghoda to be every year here.
I say that Kala Ghoda is done here every year.
Okay, because this is basically one of the only festival which is going on the streets of Mumbai. It shows us all the creativity of different people shown over here. There are all people coming from outside India also to do not claim something against Kala Ghoda. Do make it happen every year, and we are all support with you.
Love Kala Ghoda. I've been coming here for many years, and I think that you have to have Kala Ghoda at Kala Ghoda. That's where it's at, and that gives it the ambience and all the atmosphere.
We all are from North. I'm from Chandigarh, and few of us are from Delhi. Next time we are going to come again. Our request is to please bring the camps also here so that we can sleep whole night here.
Kala Ghoda rocks and I want Kala Ghoda to be here every year.
This year we have around 40 volunteers and we have several section heads. We have a lot of people who kind of call in and say, can we help? Or a lot of people on social media has really done wonders. And we've been trending on Twitter. Every second day we are third or fourth on Twitter. So I think that's great news for us. And I have actually met people on the street who kind of call and say, can we help? Well, let's hope that somebody like that. Hello, Kala Ghoda Association. No, it's for free. You can just come. There are no tickets at all. You should just come to the venue and just walk in, and you can just enter any venue you like, including the heritage walks. Yes. The heritage walks you have to register, but apart from that, everything else you just just walk in. There are some workshops you have to register, but everything is on the spot and it's on a first come first serve basis. Yeah.